friends, it's Christy. Welcome to Bitly Ditley Has Plans. In today's video, I am sharing with you my latest sticker haul. So let's take a peek. Okay friends, so I placed all of these orders earlier this month. It's January of 2024. I have some things from Orange Umbrella Co., Planner Kate, Planning with Jamie, which is a new shop to me. I just discovered her. And then Mandy Plans and Aperture Empath. So let me collect all these to the side and we'll start one by one. Isn't Saya's little bag here, the little glassine paper bag, so cute? That's her new logo. Remember, Aperture Empath was Saya Planning. So let's pull out. I did some customs and I did some time scripts that I needed to refill. So I did 2 sheets of the hours, so 1 through 12 fits across the row, and then you've got several rows, 10 rows down it looks like. So I did 2 sheets of those, and then I did the half hours. I did 2 sheets of these, same thing, 1:30 to 12:30, and then several rows down. And then, oh, this is the little freebie. This is on transparent paper. They're little individual check boxes. Those are cute, I like the colors. It says here Moxie check boxes, so these must fit in the Moxie Life Planner. And then this is a custom, it's one of my habits, my water for 70 ounces a day. So this is a custom here. And so look at how many fit on a sheet, I love it. Okay, so that's what I got from Aperture Empath. This here I'll mention, this is the classic lowercase font. She has several fonts on her Etsy page, and so you can get different scripts in whichever font you want. So that's that. And then next from Mandy Plans, she always includes a handwritten note, which I love. I think that's so sweet. I have just a few things here. So here's her little thank you card. Oh, she has a rewards program too. And she's got a code, thanks 10 for 10%. And then let's look at the freebies here. So we've got some rainbow colored hearts. These are cute, very pastel-y. We've got some basic scripts, payday, meeting, laundry, etc. We've got some check dots. Nature is the colorway. These are really pretty. I like how neutral they are. We've got here new release. So new release stickers. This is in her journaling, not journaling, it's her handwritten font, I believe. And then bright rainbow, so some brush stroke here. These are on paper though, they're not transparent. Very cute. And then this here is the February freebie. Hello February, that's so cute. Is it spring yet? Look at how sweet the little delicate flowers. Random acts of kindness week. Kindness changes everything. World Nutella Day. Love that. Me time. Okay, so then I did a bunch of customs. So I love this font that she has. And so I did my name on both white paper, and then I also did it on transparent paper. Isn't that cool? I just love it. I love the shape of the S and the R. So cute. Okay, so I also did this. So this is the same sheet as the name, but I had her do it with the word currently because I'm going to create a little dashboard page on the index, the monthly index page in my teacher planner, because I realized as I was kind of planning getting into January, I don't have a dashboard page, and so I kind of wanted that. So I did 2 sheets of that on white paper, and then I did several customs here. So I did watching, reading, and listening to. So I love, again, this font is so cool to me. So I did that, and then because I hate paying for shipping, I added a couple things just to get the free shipping. So on transparent paper, I got the brush strokes. And so I got kind of like the pastel rainbow, and then this I believe is the ocean colorway. Isn't this pretty? I love all these blues. So I love these because you can write on your planner first and then put this over on top, and it kind of like highlights it. So that's what I got from Mandy Plans. I'm super excited because I want to set up my January dashboard. And so I was kind of waiting for these stickers to arrive. So there's that. And then the next set of stickers is from Planning with Jamie. And again, I just discovered her on YouTube. So I went and checked out her shop. And she has something similar to what I did in the customs with Mandy Plan, and it's a different font, so I thought it was just kind of fun to be able to kind of alternate between the two. So this is her currently, and then she's got watching, reading, planning, eating, loving, listening to, enjoying, and grateful for. So I kind of liked the added scripts and prompts there. And so there's 2 sets per page, and I ordered 6 of them just because I was thinking, okay, that's 12 months, you know, not that I will do every single month in this same font, but I thought I'll go between the two, between Mandy Plans and the nice printed font, and then this one in the nice, like, more handwritten kind of calligraphy type font. So that's that from Planning with Jamie. And then let's take a look at what I have from Orange Umbrella Co. Okay, so starting with the freebie, check smoke detectors, daylight savings. Oh God, that's already coming up, friends. Look at all these cute little like fun things, like this is St. Patty's Day, maybe some Easter themed here. I love that. This is the January freebie. We've got Happy Easter, St. Patrick's Day, Church, First Day of Spring. Very sweet. Okay, so this is kit 306. It's called Love Struck, and I bought the deco here because I just thought it was sweet. Super cute. These are going to be a bunch of February kits here. I have the brushstroke date headers in the new font. Cute. And then I've got the journaling page. I love the little squigglies and all the little torn pieces of washi. These are lots of fun. And then I have the sampler mini kit sheet 1. I love this washi. So cute in this big box. That's really fun. I love these icons. I save all of these. I pull these off. And I like her shoe because for me, her shoe's facing the right way. Like I like to put it on the left side of my planner. And then this is mini kit sheet 2. So some habit trackers. Here's where all the scripts are. A little piece of torn washi. Isn't this cute? I love this washi. A couple of brush strokes. So I love it because between just these 2 pages, you get a little bit of journaling type stuff. You get washi, you get functional and decorative boxes, all kinds of icons and scripts. So it's really a nice layout, a good format. Okay, and then next, this is kit 307. It's called Flirty. I thought this was cute, Be My Valentine. So my plan would be to use this for Valentine's Day week. Lots of habit trackers. I've been using these boxes the last 2 weeks for my Clean Mama weekly tasks in my sidebar. So I kind of like that. This is the sidebar page. I've got here the deco again because it's just so darling. I love this pale blue with the pink. The pink's got a little bit of lavender undertone to it. I just think it's so cute. So there's that. Here's the brush stroke date headers. And then again, mini kit sheet 1. I love this box. Isn't that sweet? That washi's super cute. I love that. And then sheet 2. This is really cute. Such cute kits for February from all the shops. Okay, so that's from Orange Umbrella Co. And then last but not least, let's see what I have here from Planner Kate. Okay, so here's her card. And of course, her code is PKLove20 for 20% off your order. You always get a bunch of freebies. So some utensils, some little skinny functional boxes, some ombre checklist boxes. We've got scripts here in font C. This is cute. We've got, oh, this is new. I haven't seen this sticker before. So work, you can kind of put your schedule in here, like from 8 to 5 or whatever you work. And then this is interesting. Wait, does this fold? No, they're little separate pieces, kind of like a little triangle type shape piece. That's neat. So those are the freebies. Okay, so the first kit is 606 and it's called Signed, Sealed, Delivered. So what I have here, this is new. I didn't realize Planner Kate was doing this, but I'm going to move these to the side. She is now offering Happy Planner, classic Happy Planner monthly kits. And so I got this one because I want to try it out in my budget book. So we have here the headers, some washi. We've got the days of the week here, date dots, and then these are holidays. Oh, so cute. And then I love all the boxes. So fun. And then what I did here was ordered the savings tracker headers. I love her new font. So cute. This is the sinking funds header. And then I did order skinny washi just in case I needed some extra washi. I also ordered the weekly kit for this, so I can use this between my monthly for my budget as well as in the weekly. So I have that. And then, like I said, I purchased the weekly kit. So I have here the sampler. This is so cute. Valentine's Day, US postage paid. All the scripts. Again, love this new font. Love all of her icons. But see how the shoe is facing this way? So I feel like it has to go on the right side of my planner. We've got lots of flags, the weekend banner. I love these pieces here that look like tape. I've been using those. Some stitched boxes, decorative boxes, some washi here. And then I love this sheet too. It's like her functional sheet. So I've been using these as my check boxes because there's a bunch of them. There's enough to do every day. And then these are fun. These are fun. And then these, it comes with date headers. You just can write the numbers in, and then some habit trackers. And 3 is perfect because that's the number of habits I track. Really fun, all the cute little arrows. And then I did get this sheet here, journaling kit, sheet 1. I just think it's so fun. These are fun too. I used those when I did my New Year's week. I did a kit from Planner Kate and ordered these same sheets. And so it was really fun to play with these. Like these big circles are fun to put things in. Okay, so that's that. And then I ordered 609, which is our story. So this is going to be my monthly view in my Erin Condren teacher planner. So my everyday carry. I loved this washi, but she didn't offer the monthly. This is a mini kit. It's not a full kit. And so what I'm going to do is use this thick washi, and I'm going to make my own monthly headers with that. I've got some skinny washi here too to help me out if I want to use that either on my index page to create my dashboard or wherever else I might want it. And then because this wasn't a monthly, what I did was I ended up getting sheet 2 in the Erin Condren 7x9 monthly for kit 606, which of course was signed, sealed, and delivered, the one we just looked at. I ordered sheet 2 because I figured these boxes would coordinate with this washi, like the colors of this kit kind of coordinate. So like if you look at, there's some of that kind of teal color. And then that way I would have icons and then the scripts that I need. There's a little bit of washi here. I love this Hello February sticker. So cute. Okay, so that's kind of what I'm going to do for my monthly is kind of use these 2 sheets and then maybe some washi. I also ordered the regular washi to kind of use for my dashboard and all that. So this is going to be kind of like a do-it-yourselfer monthly. I've got some monthly scripts already, so I'm fine there. And I've got some days of the week scripts, so not a problem. So I'm going to make my own. So stay tuned for that video. And then I also ordered the weekly kit. So again, purchased the sidebar because I loved the habit tracker and I loved kind of the to-dos, or this week I could use for my Clean Mama weekly tasks, one or the other. And then this is really fun. So this is the date flags. And I love the little flags. I thought this was really cute. I wanted to try them out. I, again, just love, love, love this font. Let me know if you guys love this new font. So I got that. And then I did get the journaling sheet, page 1. Isn't this, I love this washi. It's so cute. And all of these little pieces. I love these too for fun events. And the little corner pieces. And then here's the sampler. Look at the gorgeous colors in this. Our story. I thought that was really sweet. So again, that's a sampler. And then like I said, I did order 2 sheets of this washi just in case I needed all the washi because, you know, I love washi. And then I did order these dashed individual habit trackers. I think these are great when I have a kit that doesn't come with habit trackers. These will mix and, you know, match with any kit, right? Like that just looks great with anything. So I ordered these and they're individual so I can do just the 3 that I need. And then I also bought these. So these are just Monday through Sunday, like little check boxes. I thought I could also maybe use these for my daily 5. How I'm starting to set it up in my sidebar. I could put like my script for each of the 5 items and then put one of these underneath it and kind of create like my own little tracker box. So that's that. Let me bring everything in for one last look. Okay, I think that's a little bit of everything. I love it. I'm so excited to start planning for February. Alrighty, friends, that's it for this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe so you can catch future content on my channel. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.